All right, we're going to do one of my favorite experiments here where we're going to take some liquids and kind of combine them into what becomes a solid. And we've got some ingredients here, some borax, some water, some warm water, and some liquid glue here. A little bit of food coloring as well. Let's get started with the liquid glue first. So we're going to add 1 cup of glue. Put that right into our bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of water into the glue. We'll give that a good stir. When I got my glue and my water mixed together, I'm just going to add a couple drops of food coloring just to give it some color. Now the second half of our ingredients is going to be some warm water, 1 cupful, along with 1 teaspoon of the borax. We're going to give that a good stirring too. We just want the borax to dissolve inside the water. We don't want any of the white powder to still be left in here. All right, we have our 2 separate ingredients, which are both in a liquid form. If we were able to look at this one, the glue and water, with a microscope, we'd see some molecular structure that would kind of look like this. Like this, these straight lines. If we were to look at the molecular structure of the water with the borax in it, we would see that they're kind of wiggly lines. So when the two mix together, we kind of get these chains. And these chains bind together and make a chemical reaction in which we're going to turn our liquid into a solid. It's going to be a very viscous solid, meaning we can move it around and it's going to sort of droop and goop, hence the name slime or silly putty. So let's go ahead and mix this into this and give it a good stir. Almost right away we get this gloopy slime that starts to form. Now the more we mix and stir, the more solid it becomes. What we really want to do is we want to get our hands right in here, and we want to do that squishing and stretching, because the more squishing and stretching we do, the more opportunity it allows for the different polymers to link together and form a bond to help create the silly putty. Ooh, it's squishy. It's kind of putty it's a little bit silly. In fact, the more I stretch it, and break it apart and put it back together, again, the more bonds are going to form, and the better our putty is going to be. It's silly putty.